Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to report a closed place on Google Maps. To do this, it's very simple. You have just to open Google Maps, go to the place that you want to report as closed. For example, I will go to that restaurant. Just click on the name of it. It will open you this, swipe up and go a little bit, look other options until you find the option called edit. Click on it, and as you can see, the last option is place is closed or not here. Click on it and go and choose whatever option you want. For example, temporarily closed or permanently closed. Click on it, and after that click on submit, and that's it. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and see you in the next one.